We had Rasmus on a couple of episodes ago talking about his new startup Bucket, which I thought was so interesting. A feature isn't done when you ship it. A feature's done when a customer uses it and tells you whether they like it or not. Closing that loop of product development, or extending the loop, I guess, further out. Do you guys think about it that way, or do you have any way of feeding this data about who's using what features and how they're using it and all that back into engineering?
Yes. By the way, I don't know if Rasmus told you in his podcast, they use ClickHouse as their data store because you might imagine product analytics data. Yeah, but it's public knowledge. I'm pretty sure they've done some sort of case study. It just makes sense. It was like the kind of use case it was built for, right? Like highly structured data, very fast queries, right? Giving those insights back to a person like me, like a report on like how well my feature is doing in the wild. We absolutely do this. We actually have kind of almost like a private version of Bucket internally at ClickHouse based on ClickHouse, where all of my product analytics are going to a central cluster where we're constantly evaluating success of new features that we build, success of just the underlying infrastructure of our cloud. And absolutely, those insights are shared not only with engineering, the whole company constantly in great detail. And any engineer actually can go, this data is anonymized, so it's not like they have access to private data of our customers. But if an engineer has a question about anything really at all when it comes to kind of our cloud performance or our cloud feature adoption, there's an internal real-time data warehouse based on ClickHouse that can go and query in addition to sort of me sharing the summary of that data.